question about managing a long-term portfolio. You keep stressing we're not day traders. We're here for the long haul. So when we build a portfolio, we're adding to it. We're limited to what's on the buy list on that day. So if at some point down the road there's something that pops up on the buy list that might be perceived as better quality or has better potential, how do we think about investing for the long term but considering selling something less than 8 years for perceived quality?
That's a great question. So when you're building up a long-term portfolio, our best ideas are on the buy list. So there are some times when you'll look at the buy list and you're building a portfolio and maybe you get stuck. Maybe there's not enough on the list at the time to fill out a portfolio. That's one of the reasons that we tell you, give yourself at least, 3 to 12 months to get your portfolio built out. Do it in a very calculated way, making sure that you have good diversification within your sectors. So we put forth our best effort to give you enough choices in those sectors to properly diversify even within the sector. So you can wait if there's something that you're needing to add to the portfolio. You can wait until something else comes on. Now, when things go off the buy list, it doesn't mean that we want you to sell them. If we want you to sell them, we'll tell you to sell them. Occasionally, we'll say, if you have this particular stock, there's a big enough difference in the quality that maybe if you bought something when it was on the buy list and there's something different on, we'll encourage you. If we don't say that, then it's okay just to keep what you have. So be very intentional as you're building the portfolio. Get on there and learn what the company does. And then, follow the news on that company so that, it's your decision to own that company is constantly being reinforced, or if there's news that comes up that causes you to rethink that, then, maybe you can go back and look at it. But, when you buy something, our decisions when we put things on the buy list is not necessarily where is this company going to be in 1 month or 3 months or 6 months down the road. We're taking a much longer term look at it. So even if they experience some temporary challenges in the near term, as long as we don't think those are going to be long-term problems, we're not going to ask you to sell it.